Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Wisdom Israel. Right now, this is in my Bet Niger account. As you can all see, winning, 1-1. Everything is one. But you will see few of loss. You understand? This is how it works. We are running an investment placement on spin and win. We use Bet Niger. And you may be asking yourself, why? Why are you running this? I'm running this investment to help a lot of people. You understand? So I don't really run it every time it comes to a certain point, starting of the year and ending of the year. That's all. So that's how it works right here. So as you can see on your screen, this is my winnings, and I have a balance of 27 million from this account. So when you invest, you receive your profit after 3 days. After 3 days, the day you invested is not included. So we have lists and packages you can invest. We have 20,000, we have 40, we have 50, we have the 1 million. You understand, guys? Grab your money or this opportunity. Alright, how does it work? When you select a package, once you select a package, you make your payment to the account number given to you. Then you paste your account details where you want your profit to be sent to. After that, boom. After 3 days, you will receive your profit. We work tirelessly. If you check the time of this if you tell the time of this bet history, you will see that most of it is night. You see it is night. You understand? So we take time. Once it's night, we start so that we will not have any headache. You understand? Any disturbance on trading on everybody. We call it trading. We trade. You use your money to trade. Any amount of money we get send you your own share. Even if you get 50 million, we give you your own share. All you need is your own share, your own profit, as promised. You understand? So if you're interested, hit me on the number on your screen. Number on your screen that end with 6016. Then I will give you the packages. I will send the packages on WhatsApp. Then you select, and that's all. You're 100% safe. And if you also need the spin and win rubber app, the rubber app you're using to win this money, all you have to do is just to also contact me. It's 70,000. If you need a rubber app, it's 70,000. That's all. No hidden charges, no payment after later or upgrade or this and that. It's lifetime access. 70,000, 70k. So that's how we do it here. So as you can see, this I'm still clicking on more. You see bet history. Yeah, there's a point we reach. We also see lost. That was when maybe network and the signal disconnected and everything. So once you are using the app, the rubber app, and your network is too poor and it's no more connecting to the connection is not strong, all you have to do is just for you to leave it. Don't just keep on playing, because you may get the wrong signal. Maybe the signal may be faster or slower. You may be putting it at the wrong time. So that's how it was. So if you're interested, my number is on the screen: 08028926016. That is the number: 08028926016. WhatsApp, send me a message on WhatsApp. I will reply you in fact. So guys, share this video, like this video. People are making money. All I need to do is just to cool down, take the risk because I see it as a risk. It's not easy to send somebody money to invest for you, to trade for you. You understand? Before we were doing it account by account, but it's stressing us. It's too much of stress. You understand? But when we put the whole amount in the same account, then we move. Once we get this one, we withdraw. Once we get this one, we withdraw. When we get this one, we withdraw. Before you know it, we will achieve everything we want. So that is it. Guys, share this video. This is my withdrawal balance. This is people's money. People's money I will send to them right away. So thank you. Share this video. Keep on sharing this video. Contact me on the number on your screen. Don't message another person. Don't listen to side talk. Don't listen to comments. Don't listen to people who are just there and be claiming they know all. That is good. Bye bye.